Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be teaching you on how to remove extra pages from the control center on your iPhone running on iOS 18. Whether you've accidentally added an extra page or just want to customize your control center, this video will help you. Let's start by opening the control center. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. Once you're in the control center, you'll see all available controls, widgets, and possibly a few pages. To remove any unnecessary pages, tap on the plus sign icon at the top left corner of the screen. This will show additional options, including a minus sign button above the controls or pages. Scroll through to find the extra page you want to remove, and then tap on the minus sign, and now the extra page has been removed. It's that simple, right? And that's it for today's video. This has been your go-to channel for gaming content, Gaming Family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you on the next videos.